Hey everyone, in front of me we have Packtalk Edge, the all-new premium communication system from Cardo. Packtalk Edge now takes the top position as the most advanced communication system in the world. And as a quick overview of its features, we'll cover some of the highlights. This model can handle a group size anywhere from 2 riders all the way up to 15 riders at a range of 1.6 kilometers or a mile unit to unit. The Packtalk Edge comes with a new, sleek, modern design with no pop-up antenna and a magnetic air mount. Just snap it in and it attaches immediately. It also introduces a bunch of improvements. First is second generation dynamic mesh communication. The pairing is now crazy fast and it provides a crystal clear wideband intercom for voice. The Edge is equipped with a redesigned sound by JBL with 3 new sound profiles and also features an improved natural voice operation with a completely new voice reception technology and an improved noise canceling microphone. The Edge also comes packed with the latest technologies. Fast charging, over-the-air software updates, USB Type-C, and the most advanced Bluetooth 5.2 chip available on the market. This unit comes with a 3-year warranty, and like all Cardo products, is 100% waterproof.